Today I am in the quiet seaside town of Hunstanton, but only 3 hours ago this sleepy seaside resort was hit by a mild earthquake. A spokesman for Fisher's Chip Shop said a few minutes our fish were really flying out the door, and when asked, Mr. Bun the Baker said he could see bouncing buns and bats everywhere. We have conflicting reports from the Princess Theatre, where the summer pantomime was in full swing. We heard from one source the stage shook so much that the pantomime fell through the trapdoor that had opened. When we asked, the manager replied, "Oh no, she didn't." We are going to cut some viewer sent in footage of the earthquake as it was happening. Yes, Mum, I took out the kitten's litter tray. Yes, Mum, I took out the rubbish. Yes, Mum, that big bump on my bum is gone. Okay?
We're live.
Oh, okay, Mum. I've got to go. Bye. As you can see, for once, the earth shook for everyone in Hunstanton. This is your roving reporter, Poppies GCSE, signing off. Back to the studio.